Want to create your HTX account in just a few minutes and unlock exclusive rewards? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to sign up, use the referral code HTBonus, and complete KYC quickly and easily. HTX, formerly known as Huobi, is one of the world's leading crypto exchanges. With more than 700 coins and over 1,000 trading pairs, HTX gives you professional tools and strong security right at your fingertips. Why sign up and verify? Here's why signing up and completing KYC is so important. You unlock fiat, deposits, and withdrawals. You gain higher trading and withdrawal limits. Your account becomes more secure and easier to recover if needed. And with referral code HTBonus, you also gain access to exclusive rewards. How to sign up? Let's go through the registration process. Click the sign up link in the description. Enter your email or phone number and set a strong password. Or register quickly with Google or Telegram. Don't forget to type in referral code HTBonus during sign up to claim your bonus. Confirm your email with the link or code sent to your inbox. That's it, your account is created. How to complete KYC? Next, let's verify your account with KYC. Log in, click your profile, and choose verification. Select your country of residence. Enter your basic information such as full name and date of birth. Upload the front and back of a valid ID like your passport or driver's license. Take a selfie for facial recognition. For higher levels, you may need to upload proof of address or financial details. Once approved, you'll unlock higher withdrawal limits and fiat services with KYC versus without KYC. Without KYC, you're limited to basic spot trading and smaller withdrawals. With KYC, you can trade more, withdraw more, access fiat services, and take full advantage of HTX features. So completing verification is always the smarter choice. Make sure your documents are clear and valid. If your KYC is rejected, check the requirements carefully and try again. Ready to begin? Click the sign up link in the description, register with referral code HTBonus, and complete your KYC today to start trading on HTX with confidence. Thanks for watching this step-by-step HTX sign-up tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your crypto journey starts here with referral code HTBonus. See you inside HTX.